Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you will fine and safe. Today our concerned topic is related to step ahead writing workshop. In this chapter you will make in this topic you will make your own writing workshop. As you know, our concerned topic or our chapter is related to journals and you are well aware from journals. Now here I am also putting the definition of journal for your convenience. First of all, you have to well aware from this. A journal is a record of events and attitudes and reactions towards them. A record of events and our attitudes and reactions towards them. It may be an event or it may be a situation you attended or you were suffered from. We can also share our experiences about a situation or an event. Okay, hope you will understand. Journal must be now here one thing should be remembered, that a journal is a personal experience. So journal must be personal. It should not be impersonal. You will write personally in it, but you can share this journal with others. So this is not private, but it like diaries, but it can shareable, or you can share it with others. Okay. For writing the journal, here are some steps. You have to follow them. Here is journal scaffold. A scaffold meaning temporary arrangement. According to these arrangements, you will write your journal. First of all, what is the purpose to writing a journal? The purpose is to record the events you attended. Okay. But the event or the situation you attend, you will record this all. Then you will inform this to others to entertain them. Now here are two points, to inform and to entertain. But whom we will inform and we will entertain? Now there is audience. This audience may be vary, because this may be your family members, friends, cousins, sister, brothers, and it may be your teachers or some unfamiliar or unknown person. So then your style will be formal or informal. Your writing style will depend upon this audience. If the audience is familiar, then your writing style will be informal, and if the audience is unfamiliar person, then your writing style will be formal. For writing a journal, you must follow these points. First of all, you will write the dated entry on which you start your event, or on which your event happened or occurred, and the situation you attended. Start each entry with date and day. Next, the entry should be in chronological order. Here the chronological mean in sequence. It means you will write your entry day wise and date wise. For example, you will not write the entry of 14th of January before 30th January. You will write it day wise and date wise. Introduce your situation, events you are attended. You will introduce your situations and events with others. Then writing style may be formal or informal depending upon your audience. If the audience is familiar person, then your writing style will be informal. If you are discussing this journal with your friends or family members, then you will write informal writing. And if you are discussing it or sharing it with some unfamiliar persons, then you will write formally. The next is while writing, use of first person I. As you are sharing your personal experience, then you will use the first person I. You will not use the word you and they and someone else. The next is use of simple past tense. As your happening has been past in past times, so we'll use the second simple past tense. or the use of second form of verb. You can add pictures, drawings, maps to elaborate your description and to entertain others. Finally, you will write your conclusion or your remarks and comments related to this event or situation, how you spend this or how you consider it a good or a bad, or and boring or enjoyable or entertaining. Now you will write your writing workshop and the concerned topic is journal on co-curricular activities. Co-curricular activities are those activities which are performed along the curriculum, and curriculum here mean syllabus. Okay. First of all, the writing process is, first you will gather information, or the information is related to event which is attended. Then you will organize the thoughts. Here you will record the time of arrival, your arrival, people whom you met or who were there, or activities you performed and the other performed. Then the particular activity which was for this co-curricular function, activity you chose, what was the reason that you chose that activity. Then you will write, the writing will be start with the date, and then you will record your events. At the end you will revise and editing. If here is something missing, then you can write it again and you can share this experience with others. Hope you will understand. Then you will write your own writing workshop on your notebooks and then show it to your family members and your friends, that can so that you can share your experience with them. And remember that your topic must be journal on co-curricular activities. Here co-curricular means the activities related to your syllabus or along with your syllabus. Hope you will understand. See you next time.